Hey, Amit from Quiver here. Last month, we at Quiver ran a tower defense game jam. In this game jam, the goal was to add at least a new single enemy or tower type to our Godot tower defense game. But as you will see shortly, people went way beyond this basic premise. We selected 2 winners for this game jam, and you can play their games in your browser using the links below. Like all of our other previous game jams, we tasked participants with building upon one of our open source game templates. This game jam is based on Outpost Assault, a tower defense game you can use as a standalone template or build from scratch yourself using our premium course. I've provided links below if you want to check it out. Before I show the winners, some quick background about our game jams. We like to have a code base and assets to run a game jam with for 2 reasons. 1, you can skip a lot of the busy work of setting up a project, getting the basic structure for the game in place, creating menus, etc., etc. You automatically start with a working game from day 1, which is one less obstacle in your way. The second reason we like using existing code is that it matches real game development more closely, where you spend more time reading code, iterating, and tweaking than just starting from a blank slate. And as much fun as building a game from scratch is, you really spend most of your time with existing code, whether written by you or someone else. Well, with that out of the way, let's cut straight to the chase and show you the winning submission by Quiver user Nanomega. Nanomega went above and beyond, crafting an overworld map with a campaign, dialogue, and multiple missions. This submission added a really interesting mechanic where to earn money for towers, you have to build mining towers, which introduces some nice strategic options for the player. Do you invest money now on mining towers so you'll have more money later for attacking towers? Or do you put down that cannon tower right now since tanks are incoming? Choices, choices. Another thing that really stood out was the gameplay was really nicely balanced. There's a steady progression in difficulty from the early missions, which teach you the ropes, to the later missions, which get really hectic. Getting the gameplay fine-tuned like that for a game jam is a rare treat. Finally, what really sealed the deal, the orbital laser cannon. Expensive to build, but oh so satisfying. Doubly so if you're a Command & Conquer fan. Next, our runner-up from Nightbat13131. In this submission, Nightbat added some really interesting gameplay mechanics. Rather than just a standard tower defense game, in this submission you have to expand your towers throughout the map by building on broken towers, some of which you unlock by destroying the enemy's bases. Furthermore, you can upgrade your towers so they have more health, increased damage, or lower reload time. You can also add global upgrades from your base. Well, those are the winners, who both won cash prizes for their great submissions. In addition, we also donated to the Godot Foundation for every submission. Thank you so much for everyone who participated. If you'd like to find out more about Quiver, please visit us at quiver.dev. There you'll find more game jams, our Godot courses covering everything from creating a 2D platformer to a 3D first-person shooter, services for Godot like analytics and soon-to-be-released leaderboards, along with a supportive community. We'd love to see you at our next game jam. Thanks for watching.